So we've talked very briefly about three functions: sum, product, and average. We told you that there were more than 300 functions built into Sheets and into Excel. So if you either A, wanted to look for a function, or got the name of a function but didn't know what it did or how to use it, how do you find the information you need? You obviously can just search online. You can open up a Google search and be able to search for name of function here, Sheets, name of function, and you can try to see if you have some help articles or some websites out there, some YouTube videos about how to use these things. Right in Sheets, there's a lot of help for you. If you want to put a function in, you can go to Insert, the Insert menu, Insert, Function. Okay. Here are some common ones here at the top, and then they have them listed by category. So maybe you're looking for a math function, right? You can kind of look around here and try to see if any of these make sense to you. And as you hover over it, you can see that it'll tell you a little bit of a brief description of the function. So this SQRT, that's the square root function. And if you were to, let's say, click on it, it's now going to drop that function in and then try to give you a little bit of a help article here to help you understand what exactly this means. Okay, if you can figure it out from here, great. Otherwise, I would hit this learn more about SQRT here, and it should open up a help article, which has a more lengthy discussion on how to use it, examples, what have you. So there's a really great document library here to help you understand functions. Okay, one more time, insert function. Okay, you can search, by searching the categories here, or if you want, you can come down here to learn more. And now here they're going to give you an entire list of all the functions that are available, and then you can kind of search for it. And so I search by square root, and here are some of the square root functions, and look, I found my square root function here. Okay, and I think this is going to bring you back to the exact same help article I just showed you. Right? Same help article. Okay. So you can either search the web or search through the Google Help menu, and you can find some interesting stuff going on here about each function. Okay. I mention this because I'm going to leave you today and would like you to see if you can figure out these functions. You can feel free to drop these into your spreadsheet and try to figure out what it does. Or B, you can do some research on these functions to try to understand what do they do and what information has to go inside the parentheses for the arguments. Okay, I will spell this out in the classroom assignment, but now what I need you to do is I need you to go learn a little bit about these functions and tell me A, what does the max function do, and what information has to go in to the parentheses in the arguments, and do the same thing for min, median, and mode. Okay, I will put all these details up for you on Classroom, but you can use whatever source you want, Google or the Google Help menus or Google Web Search to try to find some information about these next four functions: max, min, median, and mode.